Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my garden using the best planting techniques to maximize growth and blooms. When it comes to gardening, one of the most crucial steps in achieving a thriving and vibrant garden is planting. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built, and getting it right can make all the difference between a mediocre garden and a stunning one. Many gardeners struggle with poor soil quality, inadequate sunlight, or incorrect planting depth, and these challenges can be frustrating to overcome. Have you ever planted a seedling with high hopes, only to watch it wither and die a few weeks later? You're not alone. Soil that's too dense or too dry can prevent roots from growing, while insufficient sunlight can leave plants weak and leggy. And let's not even get started on the woes of planting at the wrong depth. It's a recipe for disaster. Incorrect planting techniques can also lead to overcrowding, which can spread disease and pests quickly. Inadequate spacing between plants can cause them to compete for resources, leading to stunted growth and reduced blooms. And then there are the pests and diseases that can decimate an entire crop in no time. It's no wonder that many gardeners throw their hands up in frustration and give up on their gardening dreams. But fear not, dear gardeners, by adapting a few simple yet effective planting techniques, you can overcome these common challenges and create a garden that's teeming with life and color. With the right strategies, you can coax even the most reluctant plants into blooming beautifully, and it all starts with understanding the importance of soil preparation, companion planting, and spacing. Soil preparation is key to giving your plants the best possible start in life. By adding organic matter like compost or manure, you can improve soil structure, increase nutrient availability, and support beneficial microorganisms. Companion planting is another game changer. By pairing plants that complement each other, you can reduce pests and diseases, improve growth, and even enhance flavors. And when it comes to spacing, it's essential to give your plants enough room to breathe and spread out. This can be achieved by using a gardening grid or simply by eyeballing it. Just make sure to leave enough space for air circulation and access. One of the most effective planting techniques I've discovered is the triple threat method, which involves planting 3 complementary plants together. For example, planting marigolds, basil, and tomatoes together can create a symbiotic relationship that repels pests, improves growth, and enhances flavors. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can make a huge difference in your garden. Another technique that's worked wonders for me is the layered planting method, where you plant smaller plants around the base of larger ones. This not only saves space, but also creates a beautiful, tiered effect that adds visual interest to your garden. Plus, it's a great way to use up any spare seeds you have lying around. By implementing these techniques, you can create a garden that's not only thriving, but also visually stunning. Just imagine a garden that's teeming with colorful blooms, buzzing with bees, and overflowing with fresh produce. It's a gardener's dream come true. In conclusion, by adopting these simple yet effective planting techniques, you can overcome common challenges and create a garden that's truly exceptional. Remember, it's all about giving your plants the best possible start in life, and with a little creativity and experimentation, you can achieve amazing results. So don't be afraid to get creative, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your favorite planting techniques in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my next video on garden maintenance tips. See you in the next one.